Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to block message from unknown number on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, blocking message from unknown numbers protect your privacy by preventing strangers from contacting you. It reduces the risk of receiving unwanted solicitation or message from unknown individuals. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first go ahead and open messaging app on your device. Well, so here click the profile icon or three dots at the top right corner. Okay, next, select spam and block and click the three dots here. So choose block numbers. Well, lastly, you have to activate this menu. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to block message from unknown number on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.